Welcome to one-on-one tutorials. Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about one simple numerical problem on electric current flow. The problem is this: an electric bulb draws a current of 0.25 ampere for half an hour. Calculate the amount of charge that flows through the circuit. So the problem is, the electric bulb glows for half an hour and the ampere is 0.25 ampere. So let us remember the formula: current I equal to charge Q divided by time. I is current flow in ampere, Q is equal to charge in coulomb, and T is the duration of current flow in seconds. Now let us see in this formula what are the things we know and what we need to find out. Let us see what we know. We know I, that is the current flow, which is 0.25 ampere. We also know the duration of current flow, which is half an hour, that means 30 minutes, which is equal to 30 multiplied by 60, that is 1800 seconds. What we do not know, or what we need to find out here, we need to calculate the amount of electric charge. We need to calculate the amount of electric charge, that is Q, in coulombs. Therefore, Q equal to I multiplied by T. Now I is 0.25 ampere and T is 1800 second. So 00 of 1800 will be cancelled with 0.25. That means 0.25 will become 25 and 1800 will become 18. Very simple multiplication rule. So 0.25 into 1800 is equal to 25 multiplied by 18. So what is 25 by 18? Let us do it in our calculator. 25 by 18 comes to 450. So 0.25 multiplied by 1800 is same as 25 multiplied by 18. Now let us look into the problem. We have to calculate the amount of electric charge. Okay. Therefore, amount of electric charge equal to (450) coulombs. 450 coulombs.